Dear friends, good evening. Today, during the session, our President Sunil asked a question whether what is the difference between vocal variety and voice modulation. It was a very technical question. Usually, people who don't research more than a point will never ask that question because Toastmasters brought this vocal variety into focus in the area of speech making and delivery, and it became a fashion to use it as vocal variety. Whereas, in technical language, physiologically, while we are talking about the speech mechanism, we talk about voice modulations, vocal variety. Practically both are same, but the application level has brought vocal variety into a project. In earlier project of competent communication manual had this as project number 6 or 7, I think 7, vocal variety. And probably I may not have clarified that much because it is a big topic and I too needed a kind of preparation to tell exactly what it is and what do we mean by this vocal variety factor. We always say vocal variety is not there, vocal variety was not there. In Toastmasters, we should understand it as 4 P's come in the category of this vocal variety. First one is pause. Second one is pitch. Third is pace. And fourth is projection. Probably the first 3 are familiar to most of us. Pause, where the silence itself becomes the message. You pause it in certain very important places to make the audience ready to receive your message. Or sometimes the silence itself becomes a message. That's a profound way of communicating. Pause. And pitch. Pitch, it means the voice going up or down depending upon the situation where we are using it. In some places, to make that kind of an importance bringing into the conversation or while we speak with the pitch. And pace. Pace is speed. The words, the number of words coming out per minute. When we increase it, we always indicate something with that, right? In the pace. And projection, maybe this is the area which we are unclear about what vocal variety projection is bringing. Projection is basically speaking with resonating sound from using all the vacuum inside, filling it with air and taking that deep voice, resonating voice. And how do we understand this? We are in a room talking to an audience, and to a distance, when our voice is reaching till the last person, the projection is correct. If the voice is hitting the wall and coming back echoing to you, the projection is more. So the projection has to be decided by the speaker with in comparison to the equipments he is using. If no equipments are there, so it's up to the speaker to understand which forms the vocal variety. If you're overusing any of these, it becomes a problem. Keeping the right mix is the key. And when we are talking about this vocal variety factor, most of the time pitch comes into play, right? Pitch. We call intonation too. Pitch of the voice. Energy of the voice comes as that volume, the power we say, that comes as the first part of energy. Second part is intonation. Third part is rhythm. There is a rhythm to speak. When the rhythm is broken, it is not nice to listen, like music. So intonation part, when we discuss, intonation is the pitch of voice going up and down. Intonation. And how does that work? In English, when we say the falling tone is there, no? Ending of an idea. So, like, yeah, I did it. I've done it. It is going down actually. He has done the homework. He has done the homework. It is done. So, the end of an idea. When it is low rising, did you do the homework? From low, it is going up. Did you do that homework? It is asked. So question tone is coming when it is low rising. This is in relation to pitch. Third is high rising. High rising. Surprise. Oh, he did the homework. Surprise tone, that high rising tone. And falling rising means idea is not complete. He failed in maths, he failed in science, he failed in every other subject. Same tone is kept. Falling, rising. Falling, rising. So these are the four ways where the pitch could be used in vocal variety. So we should be able to identify this factor. And while we are talking about vocal variety, probably there are four areas which technically we should be careful about. One is slow and loud becomes authoritative. Slow and loud. Water, air. This is basically you are slowing down the pitch, but you are becoming louder, which gives an authoritative tone. So use it at times to command, depending on the topic. Second is fast and loud. First is slow and loud. Second is fast and loud. Fast and loud is like you give the commentaries, no? So today we are going to see all these things. That way the animation is being built up. That is the way fast and loud is used. Third variety is slow and soft. Authenticity. Slow and soft. Let me tell you something very close to my heart. Slow and soft. Fast and soft. Anticipation. Fast and soft. I'm coming. I'm waiting. We're all waiting for that moment. It is not loud enough. It is not very low in tone, but it is fast but soft. So these are the four ways you could use it. So when a speaker is not employing any of these methods, you could always point out vocal variety is missing. So I just wanted to clarify. It is already 7 minutes. Some of you may listen to it, and probably I thought it is responsible from my side to clarify this point, as President has put it up, as that is a very intelligent question. That is a question from somebody who wants to learn. So this is the learning piece of it. We can go for pause, pitch, pace and projection as vocal variety, the main pillars, and mainly we see as energy of the speech, how the volume is, how the power is, how happy, enthusiastic, cheerful, passionate the speaker is. That is one side. The second, it is intonation, which pitch we explained, the falling tone and low rising and high rising, the pitch part of it, and rhythm part of it, the melody of the voice, how the melody is brought out in the speech. In the melody, how we can bring that pause, how melody can be affected by our counter, that pause fillers, no? We make that filler words and that will disrupt it. And again, that pace part of it, how slow and speed, which where you need to employ all these, in which you need to stress some words. Some words needs to be stressed for that effect. Like, I killed the snake. There is no stress anywhere. I killed the snake. I kill the snake. I kill snake. I kill the snake. Third syllable. So you could stress anywhere. So this is a way we bring out the rhythm in talking, the pitch and the energy thing. When any of these elements are not matching, we could say vocal variety is missing. So this is a higher level of that question. I hope at least some part I have answered. The video is a little longer because there is not sufficient preparation to edit the video into 5 minutes or so. Please bear with me. I hope I have answered. I think this is responsible from my side to clarify that point, because RMTC is a club which is looking for quality, and that question comes from that factor. So take care, Toastmasters. I hope that vocal variety part is explained sufficiently. Take care. Bye.